Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix indexing not running error in Windows 11. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows Search, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Second method is typing indexing options in Windows search bar, click Indexing Options. Click Advanced, click Rebuild. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.